Hey everyone, how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. I'm Danielle LaRocca and I'm here to talk to you. So today I wanted to go over how I shave my face. Yeah, I want to talk about how I shave my face. So if you want to see how I get that flawless look for makeup application, then go ahead and stay tuned. Before we get started, just wanted to say welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate you watching this video. And if you like this video throughout while watching, then make sure that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I am going to be going over my routine today for how I get like flawless looking skin for makeup application. And yeah, it's super simple and I'm gonna just show you what I do. I'm sure there's tons of other videos out there of other people doing things that work for them, but this is particularly what works for me and my experience. I'm sure everybody's experience is going to be different, but again, this is what I do. Watch and enjoy, and if you want to try it, cool. If not, that's cool too. So I pretty much just woke up, and so what I would do is I shave my face probably once a month or maybe like once every couple months, or it just kind of depends on how fast my hair has grown. This is kind of the routine that I would have. So I would wake up, I would not wash my face yet. As you can see, like I probably still have a little bit of remnants left over of makeup from the day before. That's totally okay. We're going to get rid of it soon. So the first step that I would do, literally, is I would take a feminine facial razor. Now the ones that I get, these are called TINKLE, and I buy them on Amazon. I will link them in my description below. And the ones that I get, I believe they come in like a pack of 4 or 6, and I believe you can even get more. I think these are great, and what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have a new one every single time. I know, and if you don't want to do that, then you can use these, I would say, in between 1 and 3 times, depending on how much hair you have, how much you're taking off, yada yada, etc, etc. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your razor. Now these razors are perfect for getting, you know, above your eyebrow. You can even clean up your eyebrows with this product. There's a lot you can do with this little product, but what I do is I start from the top of my head and I go down on an angled motion. Now you want to go lightly and you want to go slow until you get used to it. And then you just literally do everything. Now I haven't done this in a couple months, so I'm probably gonna have a lot of peach fuzz. And I will show you what that looks like. You can kind of see it. And so I do everything. I do the sides, I take it from my eye, and I go all the way down. I do my chin down here. Now for this area, it's kind of hard to get around your chin, so just be careful. It's really great to do this for like exfoliating as well, because you're taking off all the dead skin, you know, that's been sitting on the top of your face. And if you wanted to clean up like your sideburns, you can. Okay, now we got some good stuff to show you. See all this hair right here? That's my peach fuzz. And then you just kind of take it off and then you keep going. Now in my experience, my hair does not grow back black. I know that's like a fear of people's, but it just doesn't happen for me. My hair doesn't grow back thicker. Yeah, it doesn't grow back darker or anything. And then I'll even get my nose. So like I'll get in between my eyebrows. Make sure you don't cut your eyebrows off. I mean, unless you want to. You get the nose, you pull, and you get the sides of your nose. You just gotta get in there. But like, be careful at the same time. And yeah, like you might get a little bit red, like you can see like I'm getting a tad bit red, but it goes away. And you can like feel and see like what feels smooth. I promise if you end up doing this and you start, you're never gonna want to stop. It's pretty addicting because it literally makes your makeup stay in place. It makes it completely smooth. That's part of how like I don't have a cakey face. A lot of people that, you know, do foundation always say like, oh, my foundation looks so cakey, I don't know what's wrong. Well, have you tried shaving your face? Like, I know that sounds kind of weird, but it's true in all honesty. It's like you want to have a blank canvas and, you know, you want it to be clean, and that's just how you do it. And making sure that you have like, you know, good moisturizer, good primer, stuff like that. And if you want to see also how to achieve a flawless, you know, foundation, no cakey look, I also have a video and I will link that above. So yeah, that's pretty much what I would do. And again, just kind of feel everything. And if you want, you can, you know, start to like clean up like your eyebrows and whatnot. Yeah, and then so what I would do next is I would wash my face like normal. You want to wash your face and get all the little hairs off. You don't want to put your makeup on after doing this because there's little hairs that you can't see, you know, from shaving your face. Like I can feel them all over my face, and it would just get all stuck in your foundation if you tried to put makeup on right now. So you're gonna wanna wash your face and then moisturize. So that's it. Don't do any like serums, don't do any astringents or toners or anything like that. Nothing harsh, because it's kind of like when you shave your legs, you don't want to put anything harsh on your legs because it'll burn or it'll make it irritated. And I don't know if you can get ingrown hairs on your face. I'm sure you probably can. And so to avoid that, you don't want anything too harsh. So just wash your face like normal, and then moisturize, and you're good to go. Start putting your makeup on and you'll see that it's gonna look completely flawless. So that is how I shave my face. I know it sounds so funny and this is a quick little video, but if you like what you see, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And make sure that you check out my other videos on the sides. I would love to hear if you guys do this after watching this video and your experience, and you know what you think, or if there's anything different that you do, let me know. But thanks again for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.